Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we'll got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and add more friends to your shortcut in Snapchat. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and this without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. If you want to do so, first of all, go open your Snapchat. So if I simply go ahead, tap on my message icon. So for that, for example, I do not currently have any shortcuts above. So for example, if you want to add somebody there in your shortcut, right, tap on this plus icon, you will get this shortcut. Tap on this. Okay, so recently I do not have any shortcut created, so then you can go ahead, create another shortcut where you can add people. So for example, I will create a shortcut. This is the one. Choose that emoji. I created a shortcut one way, and the other way, tap on this shortcut right here. I will see that if I tap on this plus, now I will get this shortcut, edit shortcut option. Simply go ahead, tap on that shortcut. Now you can add or other people right there, like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply add more people there in your shortcut of your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.